knockout, nigga. I won't blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. 24 hours. Lately I've been thinking about us. About you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another hair video. Today I am working with QVR Queen Virgin Remy Hair. This is their packaging. I'm showing you guys everything that I've received, including the wig in my box, okay? So of course you get your unit, and then you get this lace band, which I will be using in the video. I always recommend you guys to use these bands. It really helps melt your lace. And then I received a comb for my baby hairs. I also received this here where you can store your hair combs and hair clips and things like that. This is 10% off your next order. I will be having a coupon code in my description box for 20% off your order, so make sure you guys use that in the description box. The unit I am showing you guys is their 30-inch wig. You guys, this is a 13 by 4 lace front human hair wig, and I have it in the straight texture. As you guys can see right off the packaging, it is long and super soft right out of the packaging. This is the construction of the unit. You do get combs, you do get the band inside, and the knots are not bleached, but I am going to make it look as realistic as possible. I did grab my foundation and I put this all over the lace. Now this is what it looks like once you're done. Then I put it in my wig capsule as well, so everything will be blended. Like I said, the knots are not bleached, so I have to make this look as natural as possible right out of the box, okay? So this is glueless, but as you guys can see, there is room around the lace area, so I will be gluing this down. I will be using glue still, so I am just pushing the hair back so that I can figure out everything I need to do as far as customizing it for my liking. It does look like it's pre-plucked for you just a bit, but on this side here, it didn't look like it was plucked. So one side looked plucked and one side didn't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pluck this myself and just make it look realistic as possible, like I always do. So I'm just cutting that extra lace. Please make sure that you cut that extra lace so that your wig can fit ear to ear and it will be comfortable, and you don't have to worry about it bothering you, okay? Because that is the worst feeling. It's very uncomfortable. So right here, as you guys can see, I have not plucked yet. I was just giving you guys what this looks like before plucking. So I am doing a little bit of plucking on camera, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys what else there is to do with this hair.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
So as you guys can see, it's looking a tad bit more better. It's even blending in with my scalp a bit, so you guys can see how that foundation worked out and came out in handy. So I will be bleaching the knots in the near future. One thing I do like about this lace is that the knots are very small, so once it is time for me to bleach the knots, it's going to come out perfect. So I am taking that extra little lace off that is there because this is just a little too much to stay on, so I am cutting that part. And then you guys are going to see me using my adhesive glue to lay down this lace and melt it down, okay? No, I'm not using my adhesive glue, I'm sorry you guys, I'm using my adhesive spray. So with this wig, I didn't want to use any type of harsh strong glue, so I end up using some spray, and then I use the band that I was telling you guys in the beginning of the video to use on your wigs because it definitely works out handy to melt that lace down. So once I took off the band, I made sure that I began to style the unit, and I did a middle part with this hair, and I used my hot comb to just mold everything down in place. One thing I do like about this wig is that it comes very flat. It's not bulky at all, so it does fit snug on your head. And right here, you guys, I am trying to figure out as far as baby hairs that I wanted to do. So I didn't really do any dramatic baby hairs. I wasn't in the mood for that. Like, this hair I just wasn't giving, you know. I just wanted a bone straight, nice, sleek style. So I did cut a little bit of baby hairs, but I ended up not making them dramatic. I just wanted something there and natural looking, okay, in the front. So that's what I came up with. And then for my parting did need some plucking, but what I did was I ended up grabbing my concealer and I put a little bit of concealer, which is makeup, in my part just to open that, to make it like it's open, because it was closed because it needs to be plucked. So this is something that you can do very quick and easy to make your part look realistic as possible. You know, so that's what I did. And then I used my Tresemme holding spray for the flyaways on top. And then, you guys, I did flat iron this unit just a little bit. I didn't have to flat iron it too much because this wig came very silky right out the box. So I did go through certain parts of the hair just to flat iron it and make sure that everything was straight in its place. So I didn't do too much flat ironing, but I did go into certain areas of the hair. And after I did that, y'all, I was just so hyped because the hair came out so good. It's so silky, it's so soft, there's no shedding. I feel like the density is perfect. It's not thin and it's not too thick either. It's like right in the middle, so I love it. If you guys have any questions, tell me down below. Please make sure you use the 20% off discount code in the description box. I love you guys so, so much. I appreciate you all for watching. And like I said, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll get back to y'all. I love y'all so much. And thank you, QVR, for sponsoring this video. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.